Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add voice payment gateway in WordPress website. So first step you need to do is to open WordPress website and you need to come on to the plugin sections, and here you need to search for WooCommerce and click on discover or click here for the search. Okay, here it is. So you simply need to click here and you need to add into your website. So once you add that into your website, then you have an option in the plugins, so you can add Wise from there, as you can install the WooCommerce. So once it is installed, and then you can simply go back, and in the plugin section you simply need to search for the Wise after installing the WooCommerce into your website. So this is the process that you need to follow to add Wise payment gateway in WordPress website. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.